Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make biscuits with only 2 ingredients. The ingredients that we're going to need today are self-rising flour and heavy whipping cream. Okay guys, so I have 1 cup of flour and also 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. So we're going to take a bowl, we're going to put our flour in, and we're also going to add our heavy whipping cream, and we're going to mix it with a fork. Okay guys, once it gets to this consistency, you want to go ahead and add some flour to it. And we're just going to go ahead and mix it. Add a little flour as you go. You want to get it to where it's not sticking to your hands. Okay, that's perfect right there. Okay guys, I have my rolling pin. So what I'm going to do is put some flour along the pin. Now we're going to go ahead and roll out our dough. And you want your dough to be about a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch thick. Also set your oven to 400 degrees. Now we're going to take a cookie cutter. I'm going to go ahead and place it in my flour, and all you want to do is cut your biscuits out. Okay guys, once you have all your biscuits cut out, this makes about 8. I have a piece of butter in my pan. All I'm going to do is coat all around the inside of my pan. Now we're going to set our biscuits in there. Another pan right here, and do the same thing. Now we're just going to put it in our oven at 400 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay guys, after 15 minutes, our biscuits are done. Look how nice they came out. So I'm just going to let them cool off for a couple minutes. I also wanted to show you guys, look how fluffy they are. Okay guys, so here we have it, our 2-ingredient biscuit recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.